Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, July 16th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. So, US stocks finished higher once again as investors were encouraged by another round of softer inflation data and continued optimism around artificial intelligence. The Dow Jones added 0.2%, the Standard & Poor's 500 gained 0.3%, and the Nasdaq Composite led the way with a rise of 0.6%. Big tech was once again in the spotlight. Alphabet climbed almost 3%, while Apple reached another record high after reports that its generative artificial intelligence features received approval for launch in China. Meanwhile, Dutch chip equipment company ASML delivered a strong outlook. The company raised its annual sales forecast, saying demand for artificial intelligence remains robust, and announced plans to expand production capacity by 30%. Interestingly, not every semiconductor stock joined the rally, with Micron Technology and SK Hynix both falling more than 7%. Now, on the economic side, investors welcomed another encouraging inflation report. Wholesale inflation slowed more than economists had expected, reinforcing Tuesday's consumer inflation data and suggesting price pressures may be easing faster than feared. That positive news helped markets look past higher oil prices after President Trump said the United States would intensify its military campaign against Iran, keeping geopolitical tensions firmly on investors' radar. Alright, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. See you tomorrow morning.